welcome back to my source port series. That's what I should have said before when I said GZ Doom series, but my GZ Doom series is part of a larger source port series because I want to show personally how many things it's possible to run on Linux. Today I'm going to be showing how to install Return to Castle Wolfenstein on a modern operating system. I want you to go to DuckDuckGo and type in IORTCW. Go to the GitHub page that comes up. Now what you want to do is scroll down to the releases and click where it says +5 releases. Go to 151C here. Download the correct one for your operating system. So this same technique should work for more than one operating system. Now I would go ahead and download this, but I've already done this. And I need you to download patch data 141.zip. You're going to need both of these archives. Before we get started, I'm also going to want you to download Splatterladder RTCW pack, especially if you're using Linux. There's another one called Real RTCW, which is also excellent, but I believe that one might only work for Windows. It kept crashing on me, and then the other texture pack I tried just wasn't up to my resolution standards. This is the one that I've tried that runs on Linux that makes everything as sharp and clear as possible. Okay, I'm just going to install this into my games folder and do this in the exact order of the install guide that I pretty much copied off of GitHub, except I inserted number 7 in here because I found this to be necessary. Okay, number 1, they want you to go get the files. Let's see, that's 1 through 4. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and unzip the source port, move that over, and this is just going to take a second here. Okay, you want to go into the source port folder and then go into the main folder. Now you want to go into the Return to Castle Wolfenstein folder and do the same exact thing. And then this guide that I have open here is going to tell me what to copy. So pack 0 and then SP pack 1 through 3. I'm going to start on those. Okay, next MP bin and then MP pack 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here, it's just easier if I do it this way. Okay, next MP pack maps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, then in number 6 it says to extract the contents of the patch into the main folder. It's probably going to... Okay, all you have to do is extract the patch and highlight everything and drag this over to the IORTCW folder. Go ahead and merge everything and replace everything. I've just gone and unzipped the texture pack because I knew that was going to take a minute. All you want to do for this is go into folder 3 and just grab the pack file and drop it in the main file of your source port. But unfortunately, with this file name, at least if you're on Linux, it's not going to get picked up by the source port. So what I did was I renamed this to Z_PAK and I just hit enter. Now, I would drop it in that folder, but I want you to see this the first run with the original textures. Okay, here goes nothing. But I'm just going to load my save file because we can get to the textures faster. Okay, yeah, here's original textures. Not looking too bad, but at least for 2001, but they could definitely be sharper. Non-readable text. You can't really see hardly anything in there. Faces and models, I guess, don't look too bad. Don't see any stitching or anything like that or fine detail. The wood here looks pretty blurry. That radio looks fake as hell. Okay, now you can see a big major difference here. Well, if I stop moving, that is. Got a lot more detail now. Not see much of a difference there, but the walls, the floors, the radio actually looks like a real radio. Wood's looking a lot better. Definitely higher resolution flags and everything. Yeah, I'd say this is a big major improvement. Okay, I just wanted to show you in the very first area here, there's a layer of fog on the floor that gets a little bit more pronounced as you go out this way. And yeah, this texture pack's making everything look beautiful. But this fog down here is this cool effect that this texture pack adds. I just think it's pretty interesting. It makes everything look all atmospheric and stuff. That's all I got for you on this one. I hope you guys had fun with this. I had fun setting this up and demoing it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one soon.